Hello THS, my name is Kayla Smith. I'd like to take the next few minutes to show you the library website and how it will help support self-selected reading at THS this year. Students and staff will receive an email with the URL and a link that students should bookmark or save to their desktops. The first button on the web page opens a new window with our library catalog, Destiny Discover. Users will need to log in at the top right-hand corner with their school, email, username, and password. For students, this is long number, short number. Once you've logged in, you can view new books, trending books, and browse by genre from the dashboard. More specific searches are done using the search bar at the top. And here I'm going to search for fiction novels about soccer, separating each keyword with a comma. After choosing a book, pressing the hold button will submit a request for the first available copy. Students can also use the Google form to request a book without browsing the catalog. After providing their student email, name, and homeroom, students can enter the title or author of a book or use the buttons to indicate that they need more help making a choice. The topical book lists are recommendations grouped by theme. This page will open more detailed information on books based on a topic. The button under each carousel opens an interactive PDF that students can browse, and clicking the book from the PDF will open it in Destiny Discover, again with the option to hold or favorite the book. From the home screen, users can access our library policies, including temporary changes related to COVID-19. Circulation will be completed online with delivery to homerooms. There will be no individual e-hall passes to the library. Students should be reminded not to share books or leave them in unattended public spaces. Books will be held for 4 days before they are available for the next student. There are other resources on the website that I would encourage you to have your students investigate. And as always, I'm happy to answer any questions via email about library policies or helping students find a book that's a good fit for them. Homeroom teachers, please let me know if you don't have a plastic storage bin or a milk crate in your classroom that we can use for library deliveries and returns. And I'll be reaching out to each of you in the next few weeks about scheduling a time that your class can come visit the library. Again, please feel free to call me or email me if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I'm excited about implementing SSR at THS this year. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.